We're continuing with rotation updates, and we encounter a powerful pattern for systematic dictionary processing. We see this code here that we're just typing out. The key learning moment right now is this line, for plane in entity, rotation 4D. This demonstrates dictionary key iteration, how for loops can iterate directly over dictionary keys, enabling you to apply the same operation to all entries in a dictionary efficiently. When you write for plane in entity rotation 4D, Python automatically loops through each key in the rotation 4D dictionary. The variable plane takes on each key value, xy plane, xz plane, and so on. The iteration process is the first iteration, plane equals xy plane, second, plane equals xz plane, and so on. Inside the loop, entity rotation 4D plane uses the current key to access and modify each rotation value. This is systematic processing of all dictionary entries. Instead of writing 6 separate lines to update each rotation plane individually, loop automatically processes every plane with the same operation. This pattern is incredibly powerful for batch operations. Similar to what we talked about in the previous for loop batch operations, your 4D rotation updates mirror real physics, where all rotational planes need the same time-based advancement. Instead of manually updating each plane, the loop automatically processes all 6 4D rotation planes, ensuring consistent physics simulation across all rotational dimensions. So this is beautiful. It adapts automatically. If you later add more rotation planes to your dictionary, the loop's going to process them. You don't have to make any code changes.